Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities also we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it is the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel all about trading. We put a weekly video about Forex market, a monthly video about Bitcoin, and a monthly video about stock market. So if you are interested and you want our free analysis, you can join us and to benefit from all those things free, my friend. So as every weekend, my friend, before we even start, we go to my browser to analyzing for you the coming news. So let's go into my browser to analyzing for you the coming news, my friend. So as you see, my friend, in Monday 13, we got at 6 o'clock manufacturing product, 6 o'clock manufacturing product of UK, at 6 GDP monthly. Everything is too clear. All those things, they are coming in Monday. In Tuesday 14, 1:30, we got business confidence of the Aussie. 6 o'clock, by the way, all the times here they are with GMT time. 6 o'clock climate count change. 12:30 PPI monthly, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture now. In Wednesday 15, 12:30, we got consumer confidence change of the Aussie, or half past midnight consumer confidence index, half past noon or half past 12 of GMT. Me, I'm talking here. Retail sales, 6 o'clock federal fund rate, or the interest rate of your USA. By the way, be aware of that. 6 o'clock, we got economic project, blah, 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 those things. Then the Fed price conference, all those things, they will come together. At 11:50, balance of trade of Japan. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. In Thursday, 1:30, RB blunt. 1:30, unemployment rate of the Aussie. 11 o'clock, official rate of UK, or the interest rate of United Kingdom. 12:30, housing start. 12:30, building permit, and that one got a big impact, my friend. Be aware of it, because that one, it will tell you if the economic is doing well or not of USA. Everything is too clear, my friend. And the last day of the week, it's Friday, my friend. At 3 o'clock of night, we got Bank of Japan interest rate. 6 o'clock, retail sales of UK, my friend. So be aware of all those things, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So let's going back to my broker to show you more, my friend. Here we came, my friend. We are in our broker. As you see, the first pair we got is the EURUSD. And the EURUSD, last week we used to be here exactly in that place. Here, as you see it. What did we said? We said from that place it's going to fall down, and still you can find it. It's still in our channel. Where it fall down that week till here. As you see it, it stay ranging all the week here. Then from here it dropped till here. What our view to it? Maybe it's going to come to go back to touch here, that level here of 1.05. Then from there it's going to drop till here. But be careful about that one, because the EURUSD is going to go upward, my friend. So be aware of that. And by the way, that week there is a lot of news coming. So be aware of all those things, my friend. The levels we got, my friend, for this week. The first level here, 1.08852. Another level here, 1.07974. Another level here, 1.06639. Another level here, 1.05725. Another level here, 1.04585. And the last level here, 1.03538. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, last week we used to be here in the RSI. I told you it's going to go back and touch here, then from here it's going to drop. And that's what happened exactly. It fell down till here. And by the way, if you see, the divergence would drive it down. It's still a trend line valid. It touch here, it touch here, it touch here. Now it fell down here to the oversold area. What's my view to it? It will came back and touch the trend line, then from there it will drop. It needs to give us here a divergence. Then from there you enter long, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. Don't enter now short, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the EURUSD, my friend. The other pair we got is the cable, my friend. And the cable last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to fall down, and that's what happened exactly. It's there went in here. Then from there it fall down till here as you see it now. A view to it, the same thing. It will go back up and touch here. Then from there it will fall down again, my friend. From that level here, as you see it, it will go back upwards, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. So be aware of those things, my friend. Levels we got for this week, my friend. First level here, 1.27432. Another level here, 1.26494. Another level here, 1.24759. Another level here, 1.22665. And the last level here, 1.21808. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Same thing like the EURUSD. As you see here, we have here the divergence, my friend, or the trend line. Last week we used to be here. It go back, it touch it. Then from there it drop where it is now. My view trade, it will go back and touch the trend line again. Then from there it will fall down. It needs to give you here a divergence. Then from there you enter long, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. By the way, if you want to win us exactly we enter to the market, you can join us in our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel, you're going to find it in the first comment with our highly recommended course. And by the way, that course, you're going to get 85% discount, my friend, if you want. Everything is in the first comment as you see it now in that picture, my friend. Everything is too clear. So that's it for the cable, my friend. The other pair we got is the Aussie, my friend. The Aussie last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to go upward. It go up till here. Then from here, look how many fall down till here. My view to it this week, it will continue till it touching that level here. It will go upward to touch here. Then from here it will fall down again, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So be aware at that level, my friend, because it's a stronger level. Last time from here and here, it go upward. So be aware of it. If you want our daily analysis, as I told you, can join us in Telegram, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend, for this week. First level here, 0.72473. Another level here, 0.71837. Another level here, 0.71011. Another level here, 0.70078. And the last level here, 0.69129, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, that's our analysis for the last week. I told you it need to come back to touch here, and that's what it did. Came it touch the divergence, then from there it fall down. Look where it is now. Is it near to the oversold area, or is it at the oversold area, my friend? It might from here it will go upward, or it need to continue to touch here that level of us. Then from there it will go upward to touch here that trend line of the divergence. Then from there it will fall down again to the oversold area, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So that's it for the Aussie, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen, my friend. USD Japanese yen, as you see it where we are now. My view to it, it needs to come down to touch here that down of that channel, or as you see here, what we got a trend line. It needs to come to touch it. Then from there we enter long again, my friend. Everything is too clear. Me last time I enter from here. As you see how many pips I make. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So levels we got, my friend. First level here, 126.236. Another level here, 133.792. Another level here, 131.756. Another level here, 130.110. And that one here, 128.395, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, it touch here the overbought area. Now it go out. A view to it, it will fall down till it touching here the oversold area. Then from there, we will enter long, my friend. Take profit here. Now, don't enter at it short, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So, that's it for the USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. And the gold, we make from it very decent profit. That 2 weeks we enter from that level. Stop loss of OCP in here. We take 50% at that level. It stay here ranging. And as you see here, it given us like a support. Now, where it is now, is it at that level here? Here exactly. A view to it, it will make a correction like that, then it will go upward, my friend. Because inflation is too high, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture, my friend. So, the levels we got for this week. First level here, 1932.59. Another level here, 1903.47. Another level here, 1873.65. Another level here, 1844.62. And that one here, 1820.25, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here, my friend. So this need to fall down, and that's what it did exactly. It fall down till here. So if you enter from here, now you're making decent profit, my friend. My view to it, it will make a correction outside again. Then from there, it will go upward again, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound Japanese yen, my friend. That one last week used to be here. I told you it will go upward, and that's what it did. It went till here. And over here, if you see, we got here a supply zone, my friend. My view to it, from here, it will fall down again, my friend. Everything is too clear. Actually, is it now here? My view to it, it will fall down till here, maybe. Then from there, you can enter long again. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So the levels we got this week, my friend. First level here, 167.876. Another level here, 164.679. Another level here, 161.870. And the last level here, 159.863, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, we're being at the overbought area. Where it is now, it's near at the oversold area. My view to it, it will continue falling till here. Then from there, maybe it needs to come to give you a divergence like how it given to us here last time. Then from there, you enter long again, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So, that's it for this week, my friend. That's our analysis. If you are not subscriber yet in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates. If you want our free daily signals, you can join us in our Telegram channel. If you want our highly recommended trading course, you're going to find it in the first comment. Go to it. That course is going to teach you everything you want about trading. So that's it for that week, my friend. See you in the next week. Bye for now, my friend.